Now you're the CEO of a very exciting company that is Qilimanjaro Quantum Tech. What are you doing exactly?
Quantum computers are a new paradigm of doing computations. Nature is quantum. I wanted to understand nature. Can we end up curing diseases that do not have a cure nowadays with the future quantum computers? Superconductors are the ones that are in these chandeliers. Superconducting qubits, which is the quantum transistor that builds the processor, needs to be at very low temperatures. Very, very low. Lower than the outside universe. It's almost 20 millikelvin. It's 20 millikelvin above absolute zero. Can we accelerate breakthroughs in medicine? How we accelerate breakthroughs in the way we understand the world and we work as a society, as humanity? Can we help in the well-being of that? So for me, the importance why we should care is for curiosity on who we are, where do we go, what's out there, understanding better the world, but also making the world better. Try to build systems that consume less energy, more sustainable. We need to become more sustainable because we cannot keep evolving at the pace that we are in terms of natural resources. So we need to start building more sustainable ways of doing things, from cars to computers. So that's one thing. Let's make the world better with more efficient ways of doing computation. Let's also make the world better, making life easier for companies, for families. Let's optimize things as much as we can.